30 seconds.
Ah, damn it. Too long, too short.
Alright, just pick a B word and give it to me. We'll just try one. Give me the frequency. Nick, give me the frequency! 10 seconds, man.
You got the frequency.
No, you have it there. You gotta give me the number so I can put it in.
Okay, 3565.
Oh, we got it! Oh shit! Oh my god! We had less than a second. We had less than a second. Holy shit!
How many seconds?
We less than one. We had 0.7 seconds.
Oh, wow.
That is the most amazing thing that's ever happened.
Oh, I think you guys know what to do now.
Well, I must have fucked up somewhere because I saw a D somewhere,
Oh.
but there was no D in the words. I was like,
Oh
fuck it,
god!
bombed.
I can't believe that just happened, bro. I can't believe that just worked. Like, Ev, if you can highlight that or something with that, like.